Hey guys, so lots of devices from brands like Doogee, Humidity, Blackview, Ulefone, etc. will be launching on the 1st of November. One of the devices is called the Doogee T10. It is Doogee's first tablet, and in this video we'll be talking about its features and specs. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So the tablet is very slim. It has a thickness of 7.5 millimeters, but it is quite heavy. It weighs 430 grams. I think the body material is metal or aluminum. At the back there is a camera module that contains 2 cameras and a flash. So in terms of specs, the phone has a 10.1 inch Full HD Plus display. The bezels are obviously thick. The device is powered by the Unisoc T606 kit with 8GB RAM and 128GB onboard storage. The RAM could be expanded according to Doogee. An additional 7 gigs of RAM could be added to the original RAM. The device ships with the Android 12 OS, and as I mentioned earlier, it has dual cameras at the rear, a 30MP main camera and an additional 2MP camera. There's an 8MP camera at the front for selfies and video calls. The phone is backed up by an 300mAh battery, and of course it supports fast charging. I don't know the exact speed of the fast charging though. Anyway, those are the key specs of the Doogee T10, Doogee's first tablet. I think I'll be comparing this tablet with the Blackview Tab 15 because I think that's Blackview's latest tablet. So it makes sense to compare the latest tablets from these brands to see which of the 2 tablets from these brands is best. Anyway, make sure to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, share your thoughts about the Doogee T10 in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.